Cool, let's talk about a new chord, the minor 6 add 9. It's actually not a new chord, you already know it. We're just going to play it with a different bass note. It's going to serve a different function, okay? So F minor 6 add 9, the notes would be A flat, C, D, G. Okay, A flat, C, D, G. May look very familiar because if you change the bass to E, it's an E7 sharp 5 sharp 9. If you change the bass to B flat, it's a B flat 9 add 13. So that's why I say you already know it. But we usually use this on our 4 chords, so it replaces a minor 9, a plain minor 9. Let's look at, of course we'll take it through all 12 keys, but let's look at one more, a D minor 9, or D minor 6 add 9 I should call it. F-A-B-E, Fabe, F-A-B-E, remember that one? So if we play this over G, it's a G9 add 13. We play it over D flat, it's a D flat 7 sharp 5 sharp 9. We've learned both of these chords already. But over D, becomes a D minor 6 add 9. All right, let's look at the theory behind it. So it's made up of our flatted 3, our 5, our 6, and our 9. So if you remember, we learned the minor 6 in our old lesson. This is just the next upgraded version. It's basically the most upgraded version you can get just out of a minor 6. So we're just